Well, the official cash rate has, for the second time in a row, remained at 5.5%, but the Reserve Bank is warning that there could be one more rise before the end of the year.
And the inflation battle is far from over, with the Reserve Bank saying interest rates still need to remain at a restrictive level for the foreseeable future. Zane Small reports.
Okay, come on, let's go.
As a mum of four, Ria Apiazza is always on the go.
All this way. Good boy.
And as many parents will know, raising kids isn't cheap.
We've got 4 children, sort of teenage age, that play multiple sports, and, to go to one tournament at $600.
So it certainly hasn't helped that she and her husband's mortgage rate has more than doubled.
Our interest rates just last week went up from 2.89% to 7.05%. Massive increase.
Those consecutive official cash rate hikes from late 2021 have now levelled off. Today, the Reserve Bank kept the OCR at 5.5% for the second time in a row. But it's not expected to come down until 2025.
The OCR needs to stay at a restrictive level for the foreseeable future. And this is to ensure that annual consumer price inflation returns to the 1 to 3% target range.
Inflation has declined from more than 7% down to 6%. But if it doesn't come down fast enough, another OCR hike isn't out of the question.
You could never say never.
Remember, the OCR is the Reserve Bank's main tool to tackle inflation. By keeping the rate high, banks face higher borrowing costs. And to maintain profitability, they often increase mortgage interest rates, meaning homeowners like Ria have less money to spare, thus the economy cools. There are some positive signs. Wage growth is outpacing inflation at 7.1%. But the Retirement Commission's latest survey of 4,000 New Zealanders found that 55% are struggling financially. And that's up 17% compared to 2021, when interest rates were significantly lower.
What also hasn't helped is everything else is going up, right? So your grocery bills, your fuel.
Mortgage broker Hamish Patil says some of his clients are coping with higher rates, but for others it's been a huge adjustment.
But these days we seem to be doing more counselling than mortgages.
I think I asked one of my kids to run in and grab a block of butter, and it was $7 or $8. I thought they were stealing from me.
Inflation making it harder to fill the fridge for a growing whānau. Zane Small, Newshub.